Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the laptop is very slow on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type a task manager. Click on open it. Select the startup apps and you just need to disable unnecessary programs guys. I recommend to disable Epic Games Launcher, EA Launcher, Battle.net, BlueStacks and Steam. After disabling these programs, just to close stuff here. Second step, you just need to go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select uninstall a program and you just need to uninstall unwanted programs just by right click on them and select uninstall. After doing it, just to close stuff here. Third step, you just need to go to search menu and type choose a power plant. Click on open it. You just need to expand this option guys. Show additional plans. And after that you just need to select the high performance option. After that, just to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your laptop will run in high speed guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.